All right, this one's going to be an odd one. I have a leftover burger patty, so I'm going to make a ham Swiss cheddar burger. It'll be all right. So I'll reheat that. And then I'm going to have some tomatoes with it, and I'm just going to put some some olive oil with herbs de Provence or Italian seasoning. I use them interchangeably. I don't really know I think one of them has marjoram and one of them doesn't. I don't know. I don't remember. So on my bun, I'm going to put some mustard. This is Weber's mustard. This is my absolute favorite mustard for sandwiches, hot dogs, anything like that. I like Dijon style mustard if I'm cooking or making like a salad dressing or something. But for bologna, hot dogs, anything like that, I really, really like this Weber's mustard. It's from Buffalo, New York, and it is great. It's yellow mustard. So I'm going to use that on the ham portion. Let me rinse off the knife because I don't want to put it in the mayonnaise and have mustard in my mayonnaise. All right, let me lower that. Throw the ham in there. Heat it up a little bit. Sandwiching some of the cheese in between this ham so it melts, at least a little bit. All right, there is that. It's going to be a messy one. The cheese, it's just everything sliding all over, but it should taste pretty good. Let me cut up my tomatoes. Here's a good way to tell if your knife is sharp, if you could slice a tomato. That simply, that's a sharp knife. I was going to cut two, but I think one will be enough. All right, a little bit of olive oil on the tomatoes. A little salt. A little Italian seasoning. Or herbs de Provence. I use them interchangeably all the time. But there is lunch. That ain't too bad. Let's try this tomato first. Can't go wrong with tomato with olive oil. All right, now the messy burger. Excellent. Leftover lunch.